I'm less healthy now than I was before that. Can feel it. Even spiritually, just emotionally. Doing worse now.
Hey there, welcome to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where I show you the easy, affordable foods I cook, and you should try them too, because it's good for you, your kids, their kids, and the earth.
Hey folks, welcome back to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where today we have the beginnings of a brand new, very special mini-series called Juice This, 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 where I juice two things that shouldn't be juiced together, and then I drink them. This is either a great idea or the worst idea ever. There is really no in between. Either way, let me know what you think in the comments there, and if you have any suggestions of things I should be juicing, let me know that as well. So, you've seen the title of this video, you've seen the thumbnail, so you know what's about to happen, and I know what's about to happen. I'll be juicing a banana and an onion, and I'm gonna drink that juice. I've been trying to prepare myself for what this is gonna taste like, because these two flavors just don't seem to have a middle ground at all whatsoever. Half of me is really curious about what this is gonna be, and the other half kinda already knows what it's going to be and is desperately holding on to the glimmer of hope that it is not what I think it will be. Without further ado, let's get into it. I've got my banana here, which I love bananas, they're delicious. Like them for breakfast.
Like them on cereal.
Like them in some oatmeal.
I got onion, which I love as well, for savory applications. All right, get rid of this. Now my onion, I'm gonna do myself a favor, and I'm not gonna juice the peel. I'm not drinking peel juice, all right? That's just against my ethical code. All right, I'm gonna chop the root off this guy. There we go, all right. Hey! Yeah, there's nothing else to say. Let's juice it. It just looks wrong. It just looks wrong. Look at it. Ugh. All right. All right. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Hadn't thought about that. The whole sulfuric fumes thing with the onion, when you cut the onions, that's like that times 10 trillion. Keep it together. So I had this glass. Don't think we're gonna have quite enough juice for this glass, so let's we'll get something else here. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna use this very, very small glass. Get a little garnish on here. That's a beauty right there, huh? Get a little onion garnish. Look at that right there. Oh, that's a beaut. That's a beaut. Look at that. It almost looks like it would taste delicious. You know? It smells pretty banana-y, but I know what's in there. All right, garnish, gone. Is this a go for it or more of a sipper? I'm gonna go sipper. We're gonna sipper. It almost tricked me. Thought it was not gonna be that bad because it's real banana forward. And the onion just right in the kidney. Woo, woo, woo. It's kind of exciting actually. It's like, this would get you going. Put a little hair on your chest for sure. All right. That onion just burns. It burns. All right, we're just gonna go for the whole thing here. Cheers. I don't know if I can do the whole thing.
I believe I can.
I don't think your body's supposed to have this much concentrated onion juice at once, or ever, or any amount of onion juice. I just feel bad. I'm like sweating. I feel like I have the flu. So that was a horrific combination. In terms of how bad that was, got like a 9 out of 10. And it could have been worse somehow. Maybe if you threw a little bit of I'm less healthy now than I was before that. Can feel it. Even spiritually, just emotionally. Doing worse. Doing worse now. All right, that's it for this inaugural episode of Juice This. Good idea, bad idea, let me know. If you have any ideas of things I should be juicing together, drop them in the comments. I'll pick the best one and I'll maybe do it. There's like a ringing in my head. I never want to eat food again. That's it for Juice This. If you enjoyed the video, potentially subscribe. I have lots of other videos where I don't do this. I do things that are just a lot better than this, I think, at least. I don't know.
I'm questioning a lot of things right now.
If you want to follow me on Instagram, there's a link up here. I do have a Patreon as well. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, you can follow this link right here. I've got linked in the description as well. Huge thanks to all of my patrons. I appreciate you guys. Couldn't do this without you all. I would normally say happy cooking to end episodes, but I feel like that is unfitting for this one here. So instead, we will say sad juicing. Sad juicing. See you next time.